Morning children, let's start our new chapter 8, food, health and safety. Okay, so children, we need energy to work or to play. From where do we get this energy? We get this energy from the food. So children, we get the energy from food we eat. This energy also help us to repair the damaged cells, help us to grow and help us to reproduce. Okay, energy repairs the damaged cells in our body. Okay, it helps us to grow, and help us to reproduce. So the materials in the food which help us to remain healthy are known as nutrients. So nutrients means children, the materials in the food which help to remain healthy. So however, all the food we eat do not contain the same nutrients. Apart from food, our body also needs good exercise, okay? Good exercise and enough rest. So apart from food, we need good exercise and enough rest. So we need to drink clean water and breathe fresh air to remain healthy, okay? So always we drink clean water and always breathe fresh air to remain healthy. Eating too little or too much makes us sick. To make our body fit and healthy, to work and play, we must eat a balanced diet. Now, what is a balanced diet? Balanced diet means the food we eat daily in our diet. So children, diet means the food we eat daily. Okay, and what is a balanced diet? A diet which contains all the nutrients in correct proportion is called a balanced diet. So children, balanced diet का मतलब क्या होता है? A diet which contain all the nutrients. So what are the nutrients? What are the various nutrients present in our food? They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and mineral. So children, carbohydrate, it is the energy giving food. Okay, the sources of carbohydrates are wheat, bread, potato and rice. Okay, they are the sources of carbohydrate, and carbohydrate, it is the energy giving food. Then second nutrient is protein. Protein help the body to grow and to repair our damaged cell. So protein, it is the body building food, okay, and it helps the body to grow and repair our damaged tissues and cells. The main sources of proteins are pulses, chicken, fish, egg and milk. Okay, then fats. So children, fats also give energy and it gives more energy than carbohydrate. Okay, and for fats stored in our body for future use. Rich sources of fats are nuts, egg yolk, butter and oil. Okay, nearly 70% of body's energy needed are met through carbohydrates. Now next is vitamins. So children, vitamins and minerals, they are the protective food. They protect our body from various diseases. Okay? So there are 15 vitamins protect our body from diseases. A deficiency there are nearly 15 kinds of vitamins, okay, which are needed by our body. Vitamin A, the sources are given, name of the disease given and symptoms are given. So children, you have to learn, okay, name the vitamin, their sources, deficiency diseases and symptoms. Vitamin A, the deficiency diseases, night blindness. Vitamin B, beriberi. Then vitamin C, scurvy, and vitamin D is ricket. Okay, then minerals, children. So like vitamins, minerals are also neither energy giving food nor building block of our body, but they are needed by our body for proper growth. So minerals are needed for proper growth. They are required in small quantity, but they are very essential in our body. Okay, the main sources are fruits, milk, cereals and vegetables. They are the fruits. Okay, the minerals are present. Okay, next is water. So water is neither an energy giving food and nor a body building food, but it is very much needed by our body to perform many chemical reactions. Okay, it also regulates our body temperature. So water, it regulates our body temperature, okay, and it removes the toxic substance in our body. Then roughage. Roughage is also a part of our diet. Okay, it is not a nutrient, but it is very needed by our body and is taken through our diet, and it helps in regulating bowel movement and also to retain water in our body. Dalia, broken wheat, whole grain and pulses and salad, they are the best source of roughage. Okay children. Now exercise. Regular exercise makes our body fit and our muscles active. So exercise can burn extra fat of our body and make us slim. So exercise can burn extra fat in our body. Okay, and it also makes our heart beat faster and improve blood circulation. We sweat a lot during exercise, which makes our body cool and clean. Okay, posture means sitting straight or standing straight is good because we breathe in more oxygen and we look graceful. Next is rest. So studying or working for long hours make our body weak and inefficient. So to make our body regain the strength, the body has to be given rest. Okay. So during resting time, our brain gets complete rest and our heart beats slower and our muscles relaxes. Okay children. Okay children, this much for today's class. Thank you.